Okay, we're back. Man, I had to drill. I had to drill through the bolts. Through the screws. Take a look at this. Can you see this right here? Clean through it. And then I used my dusty, trusty impact driver. And it came on loose. So, here we go, y'all. The great unearthing, unveiling. Let's see what we got here. Oh, shoot, there he come. He's up off of there. He's coming. I got to disconnect all these wires. So y'all done held on this long. If you can hold on a little bit further, I'm giving you the treat of a lifetime because I have not seen anyone do this with C100. Right. I've seen variations of a theme, but variations on a theme is not our theme. So, okay. I'm trying to get you right here for me. Okay, here we go. So let's unplug the wires. Let's see, black on black, green and white to green and white. Come on out and play tonight. That's the green out. That's the yellow. Come on. The mellow yellow. Got to separate them. They've been married a long time. Shucks. Let me see what we got up in here. Wow. I know. It's that wrap to keep them from coming loose. So we have got to unsheath some folks so they can come on loose. Come on, get loose like a goose, like Bruce. Not that I know of loose Bruce. It's just a play on words. Ooh, that's kind of yucky, but when you're doing mechanic work, it can be a little like that. Let's see, what can we do to free that? Yeah. It needed breaking down and cleaning a long time ago because it is full of that's full of gunk, corrosion. So let's get this monkey off. It's dang near glued. Let's go to one that's a little less stressful, I think. Wait a minute. That green right, it was white wire. You know what? I better plug this thing back in. The way it come out. Uh-oh. Don't tell me. That's in there too. Oh boy. That bolt is holding that in there. As far as I can see, it is. In that plastic, fantastic. Oh no. Are you in there? No. No. Okay, we ain't got to take that off. There we go, right there. There we go, just like that. Okay. All right. You know, that's the neutral safety switch there. We got to have neutral safety, you know. It's not like a bias safety. Neutral safety means we're gonna, when we get it in gear, when neutral, it'll show up on the speeder, on the headlight. There's a little green light. In my case, I had another one had a blue light. So, I got the, there we go. Okay. That white, that's unusual for that white to come out. That one. But every other one matches up perfectly, so we shouldn't get confused. So, I mean, without further ado, I don't think that little crap don't hurt that much. That's just residuals of a good life, well led. Okay, we gonna put this thing in here and see how everything lines up. Okay, we're gonna hide you up down for a minute. Here we go, right here. That has got to go in there. That goes in there. That moves out the way for a minute. Okay. And this has to go right there. Oh, dang. That's a perfect fit. Perfect fit with the kit. Yeah. And I'm going to put you through a little hole right there, because there is a hole for you. Let me see. I need to do what I need to do. Okay. Maybe it goes a little further around. Like that. Now, if I pull too much, that's going to separate. So, I'm going to tuck the wires in there. You know, I'm going to use those new bolts. How does that look like? Yeah. Make you wonder. Like my first cousin named Stevie Wonder. He might be. I wouldn't doubt it. I've got a lot of cousins out there. And Stevie Wonder might just be one of them. You never know. Maybe that should go a little further so I can dip behind that wall. Could be. Okay. That probably would be better if it did. If you dip behind that little wall right there and then come up and talk to me, I think it'd be better. But that space is space, though. Let's see where she fits at. She fits there. That's a good 6 feet anywhere else. Okay. Yeah, the first step to completing the job is motivation to get started in the first place. Scared me for a little bit. Didn't know how it could, well, I know how it's going to turn out. Is it going to be a go or a no-go? Yes, sir. That's what it's going to be, just like that. Yes, sir. So we got a couple of screws in there to hang in there and fix and make some things. Get my ramifications going. Yeah. Good. Okay. Scared me, boy. When I was drilling them holes, I didn't want to go overboard, so I just stayed with it, and I did have a one bit that was approaching the diameter of the screw itself, and that scared me, so I pulled up on that and went back to one slightly smaller. And you know, when I sent that on the way to, and then what I did was by cracking really. Well, what I did was even though it was perfectly rounded in the screw hole up top, I went on and put the hammer driver to it and used my mighty Thor hammer, bam. And I seen it turn. And I said, ooh, it'll learn. So now, let's put some wires together. Okay, let's see here what we got. Sure. Now this is a black wire. Ooh, I got mail. So damn. Wow. So I'm gonna have to No, I'm wrong. Here we go. Yeah, that's it. Use this side. The other one's that's just on the frame. That's in the loom. Oh, that's all the way down. I can't see it worth a crap. We know it's in the right hole. Let's see what else we got here. That is green. Green, you be on your scene. That feels like it's on there. Oh, I just got to push that on, back on up. Yeah. Okay, what else we got? We got that on. That's the right. White came out like that. So now, just the green and white. And that white. With the black. There's the green. And that white came up with this motherfucker, yeah. Or white came up with this, yeah. No, that's just it. Process of eliminations. Let's take the yellow. We can't go wrong with the yellow. Not that much, no way. Because we know that goes in there. It's in the mix. Come on. That bullet was stubborn. Don't you lock tight on your neck mission like that. Okay. So what else we got? We got the crystal screen and it's white. So what we got left, yeah? That's 4 wire. Now see, this way I'm getting across right here. Okay. That wire kill switch? What's that in there? Don't know yet. Let's see. Yeah. The black. And then this right here came off the that's the green and white. This is stripe. You know what? That's neutral switch. Green and red would have been neutral switch. Green and red would have been neutral switch. Fine, thinking, let's try that, y'all. So this apparently is the neutral switch, which comes up here. So that means this last wire ought to go right there where that white one at. Come on, baby. Come out there. There we go. Ooh. Okay, let's get in there. Okay. Put the curtain up on you a little bit. Pull your britches up. Come on now. Come on. I guess I can always I might pull them apart and put something on there. So what we got? Oh, she's completely off. Look at that. Huh. Wow. Been 61 years since that been off. Let's see here. Let's see. Now the next thing we need to do is install the CDI. And I guess we could put him, that's a good place to put him. Oh, that green came loose. See, get back on the scene. Mr. Green. Okay, that's a good place to put him. Do he need, no. He's insulated, he's gonna be grounded there. Don't know if I got any room. What do I have room to do this at? Well, let's see here. Let's see here. Only place I can think of is probably down here. I could put it down here, and the box would cover him up right there. Right. Yeah. Now let's see what else we got. This screw too. The old screw. Tease it with this old screw. Get you back out. You hollow. Valve hollow. Okay, let's see what we say. Let's ground that out right there. Okay. Let's see would this work at all? It may. It might. It's getting narrow though. Getting narrow like hell. Let's see what we got here. It may just. It might not. Okay, now we just need to buckle him up. Okay, I'm gonna hook this up and then I'm gonna come back to you, okay?